Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on two-step verification inside your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so from here you want to open up your Gmail app on your device, and then you'll be brought to your emails. Now we want to click onto your Gmail account, so go ahead and click onto your user profile, top right hand corner. Now from here, go ahead and click into Google account. And now inside our Google account, so we've got these tabs below our name. So we've got home, personal, info, data recovery, privacy, security. Go ahead and tap onto security. And now we want to scroll down here, and as you can see, two-step verification is currently on or enabled on my phone. So to do this, scroll down, and we need to make sure we've got a two-step verification phone. So you need to add in your phone number here, and also you can add a recovery email here as well. And now if we scroll back up and click into two-step verification, you've just added in your phone number. Just go ahead and click on enable or turn on two-step verification. As you can see, I've already got mine turned on, so I can't show you directly, but yeah, it's as easy as that.